This is Daddy from Busy Daddy Cooks. Today we are making a very simple dish to put together and stir fry. This is stir fry chicken with ginger and green onions. Let's start with the chicken. I have here one whole chicken. It's about 1.4 kilograms and it's chopped up into smaller pieces. I have a pretty large chicken here because I couldn't find a smaller one in the market today. You can of course use a smaller chicken and adjust the ingredients accordingly. Instead of a whole chicken, you can also use just chicken thighs or chicken wings or chicken drumsticks or any part of the chicken you happen to have lying around in your freezer. You can buy a whole chicken and chop it up yourself, but I usually get the butcher in the market or supermarket to chop it up for me. It saves me time and the trouble of washing up. Let's marinate the chicken. Here is 60 grams of ginger. Grate half of this into the chicken. And mix it really well. Set it aside to marinate for about 20 to 30 minutes while we prepare the other ingredients. Here are the aromatics that we need. This is about 30 grams of ginger. This is the remainder of the ginger that we had grated into the chicken earlier on. Slice them up thinly. You can use young or old ginger here. Young ginger has a stronger ginger aroma and a more flowery scent. Old ginger is hotter, so pick your preference. You'll also need 1 medium red onion. Dice the onion. Five cloves of garlic, peeled and roughly chopped. 5 to 6 stalks of spring onions. Separate the white parts from the green parts. Pat the white bottom part of the spring onions to help it release its flavor. Then, cut them into about 2 to 3 inches in length. To stir fry, put a wok over medium heat and heat it up till it's hot. When it starts to smoke, add 4 tablespoons of oil. When the oil is hot, add in the ginger, garlic, onions, and the white parts of the spring onions. Fry them for about 30 seconds or so till they are fragrant. Next, add in the chicken parts. Spread the chicken parts out at the bottom of the pan in one single layer. Leave it in the pan till you get some browning on the surface of the chicken. Something like this. Then, turn it over and fry the other side as well. When you get some browning on both sides, add in the seasoning. That's 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce, 2 tablespoons of light soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of Chinese cooking wine, half a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of sugar, quarter teaspoon of white pepper, and quarter teaspoon of dark soy sauce. Add enough water to cover about half to 2/3 up the height of the ingredients. I'm using about 500 ml of water here, but you may use more or less depending on the size and shape of your pan. Turn the heat up to high and bring everything to a boil. Then lower the heat to a simmer. Cover and let it simmer for 20 to 30 minutes. The amount of time to simmer the chicken would depend on how big your chicken is and how tender you would like your chicken to be. I'm going for 30 minutes here because I have a large chicken. Along the way, check the water level once or twice to make sure that it does not dry up. After 30 minutes, there's more sauce here than I like. So if you're in the same situation, turn the heat up to high and leave it uncovered. This is to reduce the sauce and let the sauce thicken. I like to have about 1 to 2 cm of sauce at the bottom of the pan. When the sauce has reduced and thickened, turn off the heat. Taste and adjust for seasoning. Then add in the green parts of the spring onions and give it a good mix. We are done. This is stir-fry chicken with ginger and green onions.